Today we are going to draw a picture of the Grumpy Monkey, and I love that book. So today we're going to draw the Grumpy Monkey. So the first thing you're going to do is hold your paper the tall way, and then we're going to draw our monkey. So to start, make sure you guys use pencil. We'll trace later, and we're going to start out with an oval. So everyone start with an oval. And don't worry if we don't have enough room for his legs. We just want more room for his arms. So don't worry about that. Once we draw a circle, we're going to then make a U for his body. Now, like I said, don't worry about his legs. So, because we're going to make one curve, two curve, one curve, two curve. Now, I don't have enough room, and that's fine. If you have enough room, we'll do the legs in class. Now, for our monkey, we want to make sure we start with his ears because he has big ears. So make your big ears. Then inside your ears, make a curve and a curve. So that's the inside of the monkey's ears. Now, for our monkey, we're going to do this together. Now, I'm going to draw it, but we're going to erase a little bit in class. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with one circle. Then when you're ready, we're going to make another circle right next to it. And it'll look strange. You're going to have two circles. Once you draw your circle, you're going to make a little triangle right here. We're then going to go diagonal, diagonal, and then we make a big U. Now our eyes, watch what I do. I come 1, 2. You're going to erase that line right there. I can't erase mine, but you're going to erase yours, okay? Now, our grumpy monkey has a grumpy mouth, so let's make him grumpy. Make this part a little thicker and make that part skinnier because he's got like that little grumpy look. Now, for our eyes, we're going to make a line that goes across. Once you draw the line across, we're going to make a U and a U. Inside his eyes, because he's grumpy, we're going to make his little eyeballs right there. And don't forget his little nose. We can add little 2 dots for his nose. So right now we got our grumpy monkey, and he is super grumpy. Now, we're going to draw his arms. Now to start his arms, let's make one line here and then another line because he's going to hold on to a branch. And what we're going to do is starting right above his head, I know, right here, 1 line, 2 line. And then we're going to have his arm come up 1. And then we're going to have another line, 2. Let's do it again. 1, 2. So that's his arms up in the air because he's raising his arms. And then we're going to draw 3 little fingers. 1, 2, 3. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3. And now he's dangling from his branch. Now our monkey is missing a bunch of stuff. And you know what that is? Fur. So on the side of your monkey, make sure we add lots of little lines all around his head because he is fuzzy and furry. So add your fur. Then we're going to make sure we add fur around his belly. Make lines. Don't forget his legs. And don't forget his arms. And down here too, his armpits. And if you want, we can even add a couple little bits, just a couple here and there. So it gives it that his belly and his arms are super fuzzy. When you are done, you are going to trace everything with your black crayon. And then we're going to start coloring. Now for our monkey, this part and this part are tan or maybe a yellow or orange color. So I'm going to color this part tan. Make sure you go around the eyes. And also, that's the only tan part. Sorry about that. Why did I think his ears? Or you can make his ears tan too. You are then going to take your brown or whatever color you want to make your monkey. He could be orange. He could be a red monkey. He is brown in the book, but if you want to make him a different color monkey, that's fine. But if you want him realistic, you should make him brown. Make sure you color him all this. Now, I'm going to make his fingers peach. I know in the book he is brown, but I think I like the peach. And then we're going to make his armpits. Don't forget his armpits. His belly. And his legs. Now, for the branch, because there's so much brown going on, I'm going to make my branch green, like a vine. So I'm going to make it green. And then I'm going to color the whole background, which is probably the sky all behind him. I'm going to make one color, but you can pick any special color you want. So if you want purple, you can do purple back here. You can do green. You can do whatever color you want. pink. And don't forget up here. When you are finished with your grumpy monkey, make sure that you take a picture and post it to Seesaw. I cannot wait to see your grumpy monkeys.